Welcome to our presentation on IoT Data Analytics. Today, we are going to explore how we can extract real value from sensor data by analyzing patterns and trends. The Internet of Things is generating massive amounts of information, but without analysis, it is just noise. Let's dive in. First, let us define what we mean by IoT Data Analytics. It is the process of examining distinct datasets generated by IoT devices to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, and valuable insights. Raw sensor data is often messy and unstructured. Analytics is the key that turns this chaos into actionable intelligence. To understand analytics, we must understand the data lifecycle. It starts with generation, where sensors capture raw data like temperature or speed. Next is transmission, moving that data to the cloud via networks like 5G. Then comes processing, where data is cleaned and formatted. Finally, analysis is applied to extract insights and drive decision-making. IoT devices generate different types of data. The most common is time series data, which consists of readings indexed by time, like a temperature check every minute. We also have geolocation data, which tracks where a device is physically located. And finally, status data, which tells us the condition of a device, such as whether a pump is on or off. This process is not without hurdles. The first challenge is volume and velocity. Billions of devices generate massive streams of data every second. The second is variety. Combining structured readings with unstructured logs is complex. And third is data quality. Sensors can fail or disconnect, creating gaps in your dataset that need to be addressed. Before we analyze, we must pre-process. This involves cleaning, which removes errors and fills in missing values. Then comes normalization, scaling data from different sources so they can be compared fairly. Finally, aggregation helps us summarize high-frequency data, like converting millisecond readings into minute averages to make it manageable. Now let us look at the analytics techniques. Descriptive analytics looks at the past to answer the question, what happened? It summarizes history. Diagnostic analytics goes a step further to answer, why did it happen? If a machine failed, this technique helps you find the root cause and the specific conditions that led to it. Moving to more advanced techniques, predictive analytics uses machine learning to answer, what will happen? Forecasting future events like part failures. Prescriptive analytics is the final stage, answering, how can we make it happen? It recommends specific actions, like a maintenance schedule, to achieve the best outcome. To implement this, you need the right stack. Cloud platforms like AWS or Azure provide scalable infrastructure. Edge computing devices like Raspberry Pi allow processing closer to the source. And for the heavy lifting, libraries like Pandas, Spark, and TensorFlow are essential for crunching the numbers and building models. Let us see this in action. In predictive maintenance, factories monitor vibration sensors to predict failures before they happen, saving costs. In smart cities, traffic lights use real-time flow data to adjust timing dynamically, reducing congestion and emissions. These are real results driving real value. Looking ahead, the future involves an eye at the edge, running complex models directly on sensors for speed and privacy. We also see the rise of digital twins, creating virtual replicas to simulate changes. And of course, data security remains paramount, with new methods like blockchain ensuring the integrity of your sensor data. To wrap up, IoT data analytics is what turns raw sensor noise into business value. By moving from simple charts to complex predictive AI, organizations can optimize operations and innovate faster. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more technical insights.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.